this a bit afterwards, but I am back obviously from Popshelf, since sadly I had to make sure that I didn't get a lot of stuff because I'm leaving back home, so I didn't have a lot of luggage. I had to pass on a lot of cool things, sadly, especially that orange mug that everybody on TikTok kept picking up. It was perfect. I was really happy to see that they had orange stuff, but honestly, highly recommend the place. I'm going to show you a little bit of the mini haul that I got of things that obviously I could either put in my pocket or like in my bags, because I could just stuff them on the sides, because my bag is honestly just my clothes, and otherwise the other one is like my dog's carrier. I got this little back scratcher, this bear claw one. It literally says bear claw, but it's already fading, but like who cares? It's like rubber, and it's like it's extendable as well. Super cool. It's funny because I can reach things with it, but I honestly bought it because I'm a menace and my back never stops fucking itching, and it's a bear. It's a bear, so like, why not? I did end up getting the neon orange USB that I thought was so cool. It says the brand is M-Tech Neon. And at first, I'll be honest, me with my lack of reading skills, I thought it was 2 gigabytes. And since it was only $5, I was like, fuck it, I'm gonna get it. Get home and this bitch is 16 gigabytes. And I'm like, okay, bet. I really like that it still does the little, like, that it's transparent. So it's like that neon tech type shit. So I'm gonna go ahead and open it with you guys right here. Really cool. I love the colors. They had yellow, they had green, they had pink, and I'm really happy that I got there to still get this orange one. I sadly don't have a laptop yet, but maybe I could put some YouTube videos on this just to store them. This is the orange on my shirt, and then this is the orange from my favorite classes. So this is for sure a neon orange. Look how bright that is. It's like a car. Oh my god, little Tesla. Really nice. I really like that it has the little holder right here for a little keychain. 16 right there, says the brand M-Tech. You could probably put a little sticker on it if you wanted to. Obviously I don't, because I really like the transparent look. And let's see how good the click is on this cap, because usually these feel like they fall off really easily. But let me see. Nope, that's pretty tight. You gotta, it's not tight enough to like be annoying, but like tight enough that you know it's not gonna fall off. So really, really nice. I really love it. I love little, like, it was $5, and like even if this ends up just being a little trinket that I hold, I really enjoy it. So final review of Popshelf. I loved it. Super awesome. It really is like a combination of Five Below and Dollar Tree and like Dollar General, Family, like those type of stores. It looks a lot better. It looks a lot more accessible, more like, because let's be real, a lot of stores honestly sometimes their success is honestly really based on like the vibe that you get in there. I know for one, there was a while where I didn't like Family Dollar because I was a little bit scared as a kid to go in there just because it was like really dark. Nothing like against Family Dollar. You guys are popping, you know. I've been in there a few times to get some necessities when things got rough for me. So I do appreciate you guys, but at the same time, Popshelf seems to be a maybe like sister company to those or so. So Popshelf, 10 out of 10. I know it's not only in Florida. It honestly, as I said in the beginning of the video, it has been spreading from the southeastern corner of the US. Oh my god, I have to keep sneezing. So it's basically like Florida and then spreading outwards. So that's why I wanted to go before I went back home to California. Thank you so much, you guys, for watching. Check out Popshelf when you have a chance. This is not branded. I just really wanted to check it out. If you haven't already, hit the subscribe button as well. Like and comment on the video, any suggestions or, you know, requests for what type of content that you want, or any feedback that you have on this video, previous videos, or even my TikTok. All of my socials are down there, down below. It was really nice talking to you. It was really nice going to this place again, and I would love to explore some new stores, new shops, new restaurants, any small businesses, anything. Again, thank you guys, and have a great one. Bye.